portions are there for?
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how
Okay,
many
today we are going to
portions are
revise
there?
our lesson 1 and lesson 2 because your exams are coming, right? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am,
today
how
we are going
many
to revise our
portions are
lesson
there?
1, that is discovery, explorations, and invention, and lesson 2, that is about our Earth. Okay. So let's revise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Neha?
Ma'am, are there only 2 lessons for our exam?
Yes. So you are going to score full marks, right? Only
Yes.
2 chapters are there, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So all the very best for your exam. Okay,
Thank you,
so first
ma'am.
question for Bandit. Bandit?
Yes.
Okay. Lucky man. Yes. What is the difference between discovery and invention?
Ma'am, discoveries,
Yeah, you can explain with example. No problem.
Ma'am, can I?
Mute.
discovery.
All of you, please mute yourself. Yes.
We,
I'll call you.
we will explore a place.
Yes, discovery. That simply means we are finding something new, right? We are finding something new or new object or a new place
Finding
that already
or
exists,
learning.
right? Actually, it's there, but it's a process of
Finding or learning. Finding or learning about something that no one knows. All discovery.
Yes, that's all about our discovery, right? And what about invention, Bandit? Bandit. Invention.
We will find.
Yeah, it's simply a process, right? It's a process of creating something new, right? Or designing. Process of designing or creating something new to the market, like a wheel, paper. All these are the examples of invention, right? Yes or no? Yes. What about matchstick? Is it an invention or discovery? Matchstick. Quelby? Is matchstick invention or discovery? Invention. Very good. Almost all the tools and almost all the machines are the examples of invention. Okay. Anandita, can you give an example for discovery?
Fire.
Yes, fire. Very good, very good, very good. So discovery is simply, it's a process of finding something new or new object or finding a new place that already exists, that is called as discovery. Fire is the best example for discovery. Very good. Then what is the full form of BC, Abdiel? What is the full form of BC? You can refer your textbook. Okay, no problem. You can refer your textbook because we are revising, we are learning together. Yes, Nobin. What is the full form of BC?
Ma'am, before Christ.
Very good. BC, the full form, that is before Christ. A big clap for Nobin. Very good. That is BC. So what about BCE, Abdiel? BC.
Before Common Era.
Very good. Before Common Era. That is BCE. Very good.
What is the meaning of era?
Stenin, please. Stenin.
Yes, ma'am.
Stenin, are you there? Yes. Stenin, what is CE? CE. Stenin, please take your textbook, page number 6. Stenin, please take your textbook, page number 6. Get ready with your textbook and a rough book. Make it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Stenin, it's in page number 6. The question for you, that is, what is the full form of CE? CE. It's in page number 6. Stenin. Others, please take your textbook and your rough book. Stenin. What is the full form of CE? It's in page number 6. You can see a table there. Stenin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the full form of CE?
Ma'am, in page number 6, there is not there.
No, it's there, right? Page number 6.
No.
Same.
Ma'am, common era.
Common era. Very good. Look here. You can see a table like this. What is the full form of BC? What is BCE? What is CE? And mark this table as very, very important. Okay. Please mark the table as very important. And also, please mark page number 4. There is a table. You can see the difference between discovery and invention. So please mark this table as again important. Okay. Please mark this table as important. What is discovery and invention? Page number 4 and page number 6. Okay. Then Ardra. Ardra. Who is known as the father of Indian medicine? Ardra.
Charaka.
Charaka. Right. Very good. Charaka. Charaka or Charaka. Okay. So he is known as the father of Indian medicine. Very good. Then Anandita. Anandita, this is a question for you. Okay. Dash shows or dash is a chart that shows days, week, month of a year in an organized way.
Calendar.
Calendar. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now it's time for writing. All of you, please take your rough book. You are going to write something. Okay. All these questions are very, very important. You can take screenshot if you want. Just write the answers. Okay. Then we will discuss the answers. Ready, all of you? Yes? Okay, so let's start. Be quiet.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am?
you can ask.
What is the meaning of era? Ma'am, what is the meaning of era?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Now you please note
we
your
have to
answers.
write
Yes,
the
yes. Please.
questions.
No, no, just
Question
write
and
the answers.
answer.
Just write the answers. That's it.
Ma'am, you want to write the question?
No, just write the answers. Just write the answers. The first question, Dash was the first person who went around the entire world. We call him as an explorer. Okay, I need the name. Then question number 2, Dash was the first person to travel to space. Again, he is an explorer. He was an explorer. Then who is known as the father of Indian medicine? We discussed now. And question number 4, give one example for invention. I need one example. Then dash is a chart that shows the days, week and months of a year. Last question, what is the full form of BC? Okay. Yeah, this is your doubt, right? What is BC? Common era, right? Or before Christ? Era. What is the meaning? ERA. Anyone have any idea? What is the meaning of ERA? Just raise your hand.
Can you share the board?
Yes. Ishan, do you have any idea about era? ERA.
Is it a particular time?
Yes, a long period of time or a long period of history or a long period of time. It is called as era. Okay? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes. That's all about era. Take time and just write the answers, okay? And you can take screenshot. All these are the sure questions.
Ma'am, I joined late. Heroes power failure. What do you want to do?
Okay, just take your rough book and write the answers. 6 questions are here. Just write the answers. That's it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Make it fast, okay? Simple
Ma'am.
question, right? Yes?
Ma'am, in first question, we want to write full name.
Yes. If you have any doubt regarding the spelling of the explorers like Vasco da Gama and all, you have to write and learn, okay? The names, okay? Write and learn. After the class, please write and learn the name of explorers. If you have any doubt regarding the spellings.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Very good, very good.
Am I finish?
Yes, very good. Make it fast. Just write the answers, okay? Tejasri, questions are easy, right? Tejasri, yes or no? Yes? Okay, okay. Please continue.
Ma'am, finished.
Very good.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can we take the screenshot of this?
Yes, yes, sure. You can take.
Ma'am, only this much question will come.
No. You have to learn your workbook questions. All these are the sure important questions. That's it. Okay. Rest of the questions you have to learn by yourself. Finish? Okay, so
Yes,
let's discuss
ma'am.
question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
not finish.
Yes, yes.
Not
Okay,
finish,
okay.
ma'am,
Take time, take time. No
finish.
problem, no problem. Take time.
I want to take watching.
You should write. And
After completing, you can check your answers. Okay, after completing, you can refer your textbook and please recheck your spellings
I take
and make corrections according to that. Finished, right? All of you?
Yes,
Okay, so let's discuss question number 1. Dash was the first person who went around the entire world. Who was the first person?
Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan.
Bhagya, okay? Bhagya. Others, please mute yourself. Bhagya. I need the spelling.
F
Hmm.
E
Hmm.
R
Hmm.
D I
Hmm. Bhagya.
N
Hmm.
E
Ferdinand. Okay? Magellan. What's the spelling of Magellan?
M E M
M-A-G-E-L-L-A-N. Please recheck your spelling. Okay? Once again. Okay. Very good. Then Adish. Adish, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Adish. Dash was the first person
Ma'am,
to
if
travel
answer
to
is-
space.
Yuri
Ma'am,
Gagarin.
if
I need the spelling.
Can we put a tick?
I
Can we put a tick if our answer and spelling is correct?
Yuri.
G A
Hmm.
E R I N.
Okay.
Ma'am, if our answers are correct, we need to put a tick mark.
Yes. And also give 1 for each correct answers. Okay. Next question. Who is known as the father of medicine? Anandita? Who is known as the father of medicine?
Charaga.
Charaga or Charaga. Okay. Please check your spellings. Then, next question. Give one example for invention. Dev.
Matchstick.
Matchstick. Very good.
Ma'am, I write fire.
Fire is a wrong answer. Fire is the example for discovery. Okay.
Ma'am, I write Microsoft.
Okay. Okay. Then next question. Fire is the example for discovery. Okay. Then
I
after
write iMac. I write iMac.
let's discuss next question. Rayan, are you there, Rayan?
Ma'am, laptop. We can write for invention.
Yes, that's right. Then Ardra, are you there? I need the answer for question number 5. Ardra PS. Dash is a chart that shows the days, weeks, and months of a year.
Calendar.
I need the spelling.
P
A.
A L N
E N
E
D.
D E R.
It's not D-E-R, it's D-A-R. Okay, please check your spelling. Calendar, C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R, not E. Then last question for Bendit. What is full form of BC?
And before Christ. And before Christ.
Page number 6. Okay, please note that.
Christ.
Yes, before Christ. Very good.
B-E-F-O-R. B-E-F-O-R-E.
Yes, then
C-H-R-I-S-T.
yes, very good, very good.
Before Christ.
So how many of you got 6 out of 6?
Ma'am, I got it. Very hot.
Okay, okay. Others, please switch on your videos, please. Yes, very good, very good. So please clap for yourself. Okay, very good. Me also scored 6 out of 6. Okay, okay. So let's discuss few questions from our lesson 2. Okay, before that, any doubt from our Earth? The lesson 2, our Earth. Any doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss few questions, right? Are you ready?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
One by one. Andrea.
Ma'am, a person who around the world is Ferdinand
Yes.
Magellan.
Ferdinand Magellan was the first person who went around the entire world. It's in page number 3. You can mark. Okay, it's in page number 3.
I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt that
One by one.
the pronunciation of that name.
Ferdinand Magellan or Magellan. Both are fine. Okay.
I have a doubt.
Abdiel.
Yes. In the workbook, our Earth, 14th question, no. So we should study it by heart to
14th question. That is Pacific Ocean, Europe, Atlantic Ocean and all, right?
Yes, ma'am. Should we by heart there where it is located?
No need. Okay. You just learn which are the continents, how many continents we have, how many oceans we have. Just learn the names. Okay, that's it.
Ma'am,
Okay, yes.
ma'am,
One by
I
one.
have a
Adra.
doubt.
Yeah, Anandita, you can ask.
Ma'am, I have a confusion between the oceans.
Sorry?
I have some, I don't remember the names of oceans.
Okay, let's discuss. Okay, no problem. Let's discuss. Okay? Okay. Are you all ready?
Yes,
Ishan, Rajiv, I hope it's clear for you. Ishan? Yes? Okay, so let's discuss few questions from next chapter. That is lesson 2. No problem. Okay? Just write the answer. If you have any doubt, I will help you. Just mark. Question number 7. What is the shape of our Earth? No problem. Okay, if you want, you can refer your textbook and write the answers. No problem. Okay, only the textbook. If you have any doubt, you can refer your textbook and just write the answers. Question number 7. What is the shape of our Earth?
You want to write the question?
No. Only the answers.
Ma'am, can you share the
Yes,
screen?
Sure.
Ma'am, can you share the
Yes,
screen?
yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Sure.
Share the screen.
First question, what is the shape of our earth? Just write. If you have any doubt, you can refer your textbook, no problem. And which are the two movements of earth? There are two movements. We discussed about two movements. So you can write that. Which are the two movements of earth? Next question, question number 9. The earth takes, yes, okay, I'm just reading, no problem. Question number 9, the earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation. Question number 10, the earth takes dash days to complete one revolution. And the last question, a planet has a fixed path on which it travels is called as dash. Just 5 questions, okay?
am I completed?
Very good. Who's that?
Finished.
Very good, very good. Good work.
Mama Andrea
Finished.
also.
Ma'am, Aiden is finished.
Good,
Ma'am, Aiden
good.
finished.
Take time and write, okay? No problem. Others can take time.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes, very good, very good.
I'm finished.
Okay, so let's discuss.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You
Yes.
can.
Okay,
Finished.
take time, no problem. Yes. Others are writing, okay? Ready?
Thus, it is 1/4.
Please
I'm
wait.
Ma'am.
Yes, okay, so let's discuss. No problem, okay? After the class, you can. Yes. So first, yes, the 7th one. What is the shape of our earth? Amrin, what is the shape of our earth? I need the spelling. Oblate sphere. Very good. Tejasri, which are the two movements of earth? Just a minute. Who's calling me? Ardhira, what's the problem? Very good, Tejasri. Ardhira, is there any problem?
Ma'am, can you share this?
Yes. Next question. Which are the two movements of earth? Yes, Tejasri. Very good. Same.
Rotation and revolution.
Yeah, rotation and revolution are the two movements of earth. Very good. Then next question is for Ronit. Ronit, dear, are you there? Yes.
Me, ma'am.
Yeah, the question number 9 is for you. The earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation. Very good. Our earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Very good. Then Dave, the earth takes dash days to complete one revolution.
365 days.
365 and
1/4 days.
both are fine. No problem. 365 and a quarter days. 1/4 days.
I write 1 year.
Yeah, almost right. No problem. Okay. All your answers are right. Then the last question.
can
Planet has a fixed path on which it travels. It is called as
Orbit.
I need the spelling. Explain. I need the spelling.
RBI.
Excuse me, ma'am.
ORBIT.
Okay. Please take screenshot. Yes. Yeah. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Okay. Who's calling me? You can ask if you have any doubt, Rayan.
Ma'am, Aadra didn't show activity.
Okay. So please send. Please send to my number. Okay. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. I hope it's clear for you, right? The rotation, revolution, all the questions. Okay. Jovial, it's clear, right? Any doubt?
Finish.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No,
So
ma'am.
let's discuss the next one.
No, ma'am.
Okay. This is a question for you. You have to fill the space.
We have to draw that.
No, just write A
Ma'am,
B,
first one.
and C. Just write in order. That's it. Mute yourself and please write.
Ma'am, we want to look. We can look that now.
If you have time, then you can draw and label. Otherwise, just mark A, B, and C, and then write or fill the gap.
Ma'am, she asked you that we can look the textbook and write.
No. I'll help you, okay? Others can write. The option A, that is, which pole is this?
North
Very good. Others, please note, this is our North Pole. And this line is called as?
Equator.
Very good. Please note, this is equator. And the last one, this is
South
Pole. It's easy, right?
South
Take a
Pole.
screenshot. Yes, it's easy, right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Dash is the imaginary line that divides the earth into two horizontal halves. What's the answer?
Axis.
No. Look here. Dash is the imaginary line that divides
Equator.
Ma'am, can you see that
Then.
12th question? That image. Ma'am, can you show that image?
Ma'am, can you
Thank you, ma'am.
page?
Next, question number 13. Dash are used to study the different climatic zone. Dash are used to study.
Latitude.
Yes, very good. Latitude. What's the spelling of latitude? Yes. Okay. Next question. How many continents we have?
7.
And how many oceans we have?
5.
So question number 15. Name any two continents.
Europe.
South America.
Any two answers. Okay, any two continents are fine. Then
South
name
America.
two oceans. Name any two oceans.
Pacific Ocean.
Atlantic
Atlantic Ocean.
Southern Ocean. Then
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
so any doubt, anyone?
Excuse me, ma'am. We can write any continents and oceans.
Here the question is name any two continents. So any two continents are fine.
Ma'am, can you show the image?
Two oceans. So any two oceans are fine. Okay. Clear? Please note or
Ma'am,
please
can
say
you show that image?
yes. Of course, yes. This is easy, right? This image. Now,
Ma'am, can you show the next
Ma'am,
page?
second.
Ma'am, can you show the second
it's easy,
page?
right? This image. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, can you? How many oceans we have? 5. Name any two oceans. Pacific Ocean.
Finished, right?
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Make it fast, okay? Can I change?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So any doubt? Anyone have any doubt?
No,
Regarding
ma'am.
lesson 1 and lesson 2, okay?
ma'am.
If you have any doubt,
No,
please
ma'am.
message me. I will help you, okay? Please message me. I will help you. Okay?
Ma'am.
That's all about today. Take care. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye-bye.
All the very best for your
ma'am.
exam. Okay? All the very best. Do well.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.